Hello everyone. Most of the landing pages are built to look nice, but they don't convert high tickets clients. So, if you are selling a premium offer, you need to structure your website in a very specific way to attract high ticket clients and convert them. So, in today's video, what I'm going to do is I will walk you through a step by step what you have to do and how you have to structure your website so you will be able to convert high ticket clients. So let's deep dive into it step by step, and then you will know what are the things you have to do to make sure that your website is converting high ticket clients, or maybe you are selling any services or your product. So what you have to do is the first step is your hero section. Hero section is the first impression of your website. So you need to make sure that you are adding mainly three things in the website. The first one is clear heading, that what you do, and the second should be subheading. Subheading should be following your main heading, which is h1, and it will elaborate the user that what you do and for whom you do it. The third point is call to action button. You need to make sure that you are adding a master call to action button in the hero section, which is also known as above the fold. So once you have these all three, then you can say that you have minimum criteria of booking the high tickets clients. Along with that, if you want to make the hero section look more good, you can add 2 or 3 testimonials, which will be in the slider. It should be short, not big, so try to pick 1 or 2 best social proof which you have, and then you can add those in the hero section. So this was all about this first section, which is hero section. Now let's talk about the second step, which is authority and credibility. So to make sure that your landing page shows authority and builds credibility to convert the high ticket sales or clients, you need to do 3 things which you can do mainly to optimize your credibility and authority of the landing page. The first one is you can add the logos of the company which you have worked with. You must have seen these in many of the high converting websites. The second one is short intro about who you are and what you do. It should be around 4 to 5 minutes. That will do the work. You need to make sure that you are telling all the things which you need to explain in the intro video, like what you do, for whom you do it, and who you are. The third thing which you can do to make your landing page look more authorized is quick testimonials and social proof. So you can add quick testimonials of the website which you have done. You must have got some of the testimonials and also social proof, that what are the social proof you have, because when we are talking about the high ticket clients, they don't just want the text and all explaining all the things. They need the results of what you are talking. They want to see that whatever you are talking about, you know that things or not, or you are just making it in your mind. Now let's talk about the third step, which you have to do is pain and problem amplification, which means that you need to add the text related to amplifying the pain of the customers which you will sell, which is here high ticket clients. So what you have to do in this section is highlight the core problem of the customers. Don't add too much text, just add enough so that the next person know that they know what they are talking about. That's it. If you are able to do that, you are done with the third step, which is pain and problem amplification. Now let's talk about the fourth step, which is your offer and transformation. So in this step, what you have to do is lay out your program and services in a good way. You don't need to add too much features in the website. Instead, what you can do is add a before after of your transformation. Let's suppose if you have done any website for any clients, and you can add the before how their website was looking. Also you can add how their website is looking right now, and also you can add the numbers that how much increase they have got because of the new website. So if you will add these things, it will do a good work. Now let's talk about the second point in this one is key outcome they will achieve. So you need to make sure that you are outlining what they will achieve after buying your services or high ticket offer which you are selling. So you are not just talking about all the things, you need to outline all the things which they will be achieving if they are ready to pay high ticket price for your offer. Now let's talk about the third point, which is you can add your process in 3 simple steps or 3 to 4 maximum. So you can add that as a step so that they know what I have to do in the next step and it is clear. Like if you are a video editing agency, the first step which you can do is have a discovery call. In that one you can take all the information about their business and all. The second point should be how their thumbnail should be and all, and once you will design the thumbnail, once you will give them the idea and all, then that you have to do. So outline the steps in 4 simple steps. Now let's talk about the 5th step, which is deep social proof. So in this section what you have to do is stack down all your social proof and testimonials which you have got from your clients for whom you have worked for. Also if you have not any testimonials, try to do the work which you haven't done for the clients, but it will help you to enhance your skill, and by seeing those also clients will buy from you. But when we are talking about selling the high ticket offer, you need to have the testimonials. Those are for beginners who are trying to sell the cheap offer, or you can say the medium type of offer. Now let's talk about the 6th step, which is risk reversal. So when you are selling a high ticket offer, you need to make sure that if you can add a risk reversal, then you should definitely add it. The first one is money back guarantee. So if you can do that, it will be very good for the end user to trust that if I will not get the results, then I will get my money back. The second thing which you can do in this 6th step is add a FAQ section which is totally based on their problem. Like if there is a website of aestheticians, you can add some of the questions like, does this treatment hurt? But if they are the treatment it will hurt. But this type of question which you can add in the website or the landing page. So this was all about this video. I have outlined all the things which you need to keep in mind when you are structuring your next high ticket landing page. So this was all about this video. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.